Hi, friends. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Travis Steele, and he's Arian Salgado, and we're with Red Hat. Whether this is the first video you are watching, or you've had the opportunity to watch our entire series on modernizing the DoD software factory, we really appreciate your interest and time. In today's session, Arian and I are going to discuss software factories and the edge. But first, let's recap the journey so far. During this 5-part video series, we explored a wide range of topics that delved into the intricacies of modernizing defense software factories, from cutting-edge technologies to strategic approaches such as having a holistic modernization strategy, cloud and data-centric approaches, open source collaboration, secure supply chain, and automation efficiency. It's important to recognize that in today's heavily tech-driven landscape, it's vital for organizations and agencies to stay ahead in the realm of DevSecOps. Moreover, keeping pace with evolving technologies and threats is paramount when it comes to fortifying applications and weaving security seamlessly into your development pipelines. The topics we have covered align very well with DoD policies and prioritizations like the digital modernization strategy, DevSecOps reference design, cloud strategy, secure by design and secure software development principles, and the software modernization strategy, amongst others. All right, now let's talk about Edge. Arian, I don't know about you, but Edge is one of my favorite topics.
Mine as well. Can't wait to talk about it.
Edge is also a hot topic in the DoD. In fact, the DoD is focused on delivering capability at the mission edge. They have modernization efforts such as CJADC2, which is Combined Joint All-Domain Command and Control, as well as others to derive those new and expanded capabilities to the warfighter. Thinking about that, Arian, what are some of the challenges of delivering software at the edge?
Well, delivering software at the edge computing environments, that presents really unique challenges that stem from the nature of edge computing itself. It's decentralized, often remote, and closer to the data source or the user. So some of those challenges might be limited resources. Edge devices often have constrained computational power, storage capacity, and energy resources. Also, just optimizing software to run efficiently within these limitations while still meeting performance requirements can be very, very challenging. We also have the issue of network connectivity and latency. While one of the goals of edge computing is to reduce latency by processing data closer to the source, intermittent network connectivity or varying bandwidth can complicate software updates, data synchronization, and real-time analytics. We also have security and privacy. Securing edge computing environments is complex due to the distributed nature and the vast number of devices involved. Ensuring data privacy and protecting against cyber threats require robust, decentralized security mechanisms for all those hundreds, sometimes thousands of devices. And then, of course, we got scalability and management. Deploying and managing software across thousands or sometimes even millions of edge devices poses significant logistical challenges.
Yeah, you bring up some really critical aspects of the complexity of edge computing and delivering, software applications at the edge. You mentioned limited resources, size, weight, and power or swap come into play, network connectivity, the inability, if you will, to receive or transmit large or sometimes any data, because oftentimes you're in a DDIL or disconnected, denied, or intermittent and limited scenario. And security is certainly an aspect. Scalability is a big one as well because of the diverse environments that are out there.
Correct.
Not all environments are the same. Not all infrastructure is the same. The chipsets, etc. So there's a lot of complexity when we think about the diversity of environments, and then the life cycle management that's required to go into that. So how and when are you able to update? How and often can you expect to make iterative changes? Addressing these challenges often requires a combination of optimized software design, robust deployment strategies, efficient resource utilization, and effective management practices tailored to the unique characteristics of edge computing environments. Arian, we talked about the many challenges of delivering software to the edge. What do you think are some of the advantages that a modernized software factory can provide in overcoming some of these challenges?
Great question, Travis. So modernized software factories, with their emphasis on agility, automation, and CI/CD practices, offer several advantages for overcoming the unique challenges of delivering software at the edge. Such key benefits as enabling faster deployment and development cycles through automation and streamlined workflows. This agility is really crucial for edge computing. Then we also have scalability. Automated build and deployment pipelines in software factories are designed to handle projects at any scale, making it easier to manage software deployments across the vast and distributed landscape of edge devices. And then, of course, we also have consistency and reliability. By employing standardized development environments, testing procedures, and deployment methodologies, modernized software factories can ensure that software is consistently built and deployed.
Yeah, I would highlight, consistency, standardization, and automation. Those are key ingredients that you described that would, create the ideal recipe for delivering agile integration and software at the edge, especially in the environments that the military is operating in, where at the mission edge, they've got a lot of complex real-time processing needs. They have a lot of different environmental needs. And so if you can really build a concrete pipeline that is automated, standardized, and consistent, then the results at the edge, I think, will prove themselves time and time again. And last but not least, what key strategies do you see, Arian, on the horizon that can help organizations meet the needs of mission partners at the edge?
So, Travis, looking ahead, several key strategies emerge as pivotal for organizations really aiming to meet the needs of their mission partners at the edge effectively. I think really top of mind right now, edge computing and specialization, tailoring solutions to the unique demands of edge computing, including developing specialized hardware and software that can operate in constrained environments. This involves creating more efficient, low-power devices, lightweight, resilient software applications. There's also advanced network technologies, just really leveraging next-generation technologies such as 5G and beyond to improve network connectivity, reduce latency, and enhance bandwidth at the edge. This will enable more reliable, faster communications between edge devices and central systems, and also between the edge devices themselves. And then, of course, we have artificial intelligence and machine learning, because no conversation is complete without those. Really implementing AI and ML algorithms at the edge for real-time data processing and analytics. This can significantly improve decision-making processes, automate routine tasks, and enhance the capability of edge devices without the need for constant connectivity.
Yeah, ultimately, the goal is to move faster with less risk. How do you do that? You modernize around your technologies and your capabilities. You use a modern DoD software factory as the glue that can help you bring consistency, standardization, and automation to your build and deployment process. You've got to innovate with agility. You've got to maintain a high security posture, and that's got to go across all DoD agencies and organizations. And the right technology where it fits, right, for purpose and capability. Hybrid technologies of today allowing you to bring that ubiquitous experience across non-ubiquitous endpoints, architectures, and environments. These are successful strategies for successfully employing new capabilities at the mission edge. With that, friends, that concludes our session today on Edge. It also brings a close to our video series on modernizing the DoD software factory. Arian, can you close us out with some remarks and thoughts that you'd like to leave the audience with?
Sure. So as we mentioned before, DoD software factories are doing a lot right. Everything from DevSecOps to secure software supply chain. There's a lot of changes they've made here recently that's helping them keep up with this quickly evolving environment. But there's still a lot coming up. Things like artificial intelligence, machine learning, edge computing, as we just spoke about. There's really a lot that's coming out. And so I really look forward to seeing how those changes are implemented in those DoD software factories and how we can help with that.
Great. Thanks, Arian. I really appreciate you and the time that you've spent collaborating with me. And to all of our friends out there, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for putting your time and interest into this content and hearing the conversation. We hope it's been helpful, and we look forward to working and collaborating with you in the future.